Hello and welcome to Philosophy 100. My name is Najah Abdelkader. You are welcome to call me Najah, or if that is not comfortable, you can call me Professor Najah or Professor Abdelkader. I sent out an email, and if you did not receive it, please check your spam folder. If it is not there, please double check that your email is currently entered into Blackboard. As I said in the email, there are a couple of important things to take care of this week. First, the required book for this course is Live and Learn Online. It is published and distributed by Cognella Academic Publishing. You can purchase print copies in the campus bookstore B105, or to purchase the textbook direct from the publisher in print or digital formats, please go to Blackboard announcement and follow the instructions there. Second, failure to complete Unit 1 is learning module on time will result in being dropped from the course. The only exceptions to this will be in cases of documented emergencies. Please check your syllabus to keep track of due dates. I highly recommend that you begin immediately. Leaving it to the last minute will not go well, as some assignments only open after you have completed the previous assignment, and some assignments require me to grade them before the next assignment opens. Third, this course will require quite a bit of time and effort on your part. If you decide that this course is not for you, please make sure to drop yourself. I know it's tempting to slack off at the beginning of the semester when things are just getting started. However, this course is a stacked course. That is, all new materials that you learn is stacked up on top of the materials you previously learned. So doing well requires that you master the concept and skill in each unit so that you successfully build on those in the next modules and for the rest of the course. Please make sure to read the announcement and your syllabus carefully. Note that there is a mandatory tutoring requirement for Unit 2 through 5. Tutoring can be done in person, which is highly recommended online. Please make sure that you will be able to complete the tutoring during the hours that is available. We are working on getting some evening online hours. If you cannot do that, I recommend that you take this course at another time when you have the time to attend tutoring. Previous students have said that attending these mandatory tutoring sessions really helped them and was well worth their time. Fourth, if this is your first time taking an online course, please make sure to check out the online student orientation and training posted on the course homepage. For the first week, you will only have access to Unit 1, Learning Module 1. In the second week, you will have access to Unit 1, Learning Module 2. After the completion of Unit 1, each unit will have a hard due date. However, you will be able to move through the tasks and assignments in each learning module at your own pace. To move through tasks and assignments, you will have to click Review. Some assignments will need grading before the next task or assignment is available to you. Finally, a couple of administrative things. I answer emails within 24 hours except on weekends. I have in-person office hours available Monday and Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. in BT 103H. And I am available for individual meetings via Skype or FaceTime by arrangement. I grade all assignments submitted by midnight by 5 p.m. the following day, except on weekends. Please do not hesitate to email me with questions or concerns. Please I also strongly encourage you to utilize the tutoring center, as sometimes the concepts and skills you learn in this course become easier and clearer after some in-person teaching. I'm looking forward to working with you all this semester. Thank you.